अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
वो पहली सुबह जब आए हम यहाँ,
वो पहली सुबह जब आए हम यहाँ,
थाके नन्हे उंगलियों को अपने सीने से लगाए जो,
थाम के नन्हे उंगलियों को अपने सीने से लगाए जो,
जीवन के हर लक्ष्य को जिसने पाना सिखलाया हो,
जीवन के हर लक्ष्य को जिसने पाना सिखलाया हो।
है नमन बार बार मेरे गुरुवर मेरे रहबर,
है नमन बार बार मेरे गुरुवर मेरे रहबर, आप अपनी हर दुआएं यूं ही हरदम रखना हम पर, आप अपनी हर दुआएं यूं ही हरदम रखना हम पर।
है नमन बाल बाल मेरे गुलवल मेरे लहवल।
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
We never clapped for them from our balconies and didn't light a candle for their service. For those who were there to unlock the passion during the lockdown, our teachers. We love you, dear teachers. An inspiration to many, our guiding angel, a leader par excellence, our honorable principal sir, Mr. A.S. Gangwar.
A perennial source of inspiration and motivation, a shoulder you can lean on, a hand you can hold without any inhibition, and tread along a pathway to progress. Sir, you are the guide we can rely on. You deserve tribute and gratitude for the million ways in which you touched our lives. No amount of word can suffice how much you mean to us. Thank you so much, sir. Wishing you a very happy Teachers' Day.
Love you, teachers. Happy Teachers' Day. गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः हुनर को हमारे तुमने तराशा आँखों में जागी तुमसे ही आशा इरादों के बस्ते तुमने हमें मुट्ठी में ख्वाबों के जुगनू रखे गम छिपा के अपने खुशियों का पता दिया कर्ज़े हम कैसे चुकाएंगे भला ओ टीचर शुक्रिया ओ टीचर शुक्रिया क्लासरूम जब घूमते कोई तुमने ही खिड़कियाँ वेलकम जिंदगी हो हमें करना सिखा दिया ओ टीचर शुक्रिया ओ टीचर शुक्रिया गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः
Thank you, teachers, on this Teachers' Day for grooming us and making what we are today.
जो बनाए हमें इंसान और दे सही गलत की पहचान डीपीएस बोकारो के सभी शिक्षकों करते हैं हम शत प्रणाम लव यू टीचर्स हैप्पी टीचर्स डे
I want to thank all of my teachers for this priceless gift of education. A very happy Teachers' Day to all and thank you.
गुरुजी कौन सफल हो पाया है गुरुजी कौन सफल हो पाया है हैप्पी टीचर्स डे यू आर श्री गुरुवे नमः गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. Commemorating the birthday of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan and his devotion to education, we celebrate this date as Teachers' Day. Teachers are great motivational impetus as it is they who shape the young generation. They enable the minds of young generation, unearth their abilities, enlighten their minds, sharpen their critical thinking and awaken their genius. I convey my best wishes to all my teachers whose vision and modern educational ideals enables every dipsite to unfold their innovative powers and empowers them to face future competitive world. No technology can replace teachers, as teacher not just imparts knowledge but transmits knowledge with character, inculcate values and help to develop all-round skills to every child. It is not possible for a student to share their issues with a teacher. It is important for a teacher to be open-minded and willing to help. Building trust in the minds of students is essential. Since every spirited soul here in our school, on both the side, that is one side student and other side we as a teachers, aspire to be successful. I have but one message. Success often comes to those who dare and act. It seldom goes to the timid who are afraid of consequences. Let the motto of our education be Tejas Binam Adhit Mastu. Let us have the light to see the truth and strength to make it prevail. My good wishes and blessings are always with my students who are going to make this world a better place for human beings in coming tomorrows. Thank you. God bless you all.
We express our sincerest gratitude to our most venerated principal sir, Mr. A.S. Gangwar, who, like a pole star, has guided us in all our endeavors and has set an unparalleled example of values for us to look up to. We thank our most beloved teachers who are working tirelessly even during trying times for our welfare that has shaped our very being. Thank you and a very happy Teachers' Day to you.